Okay, so Brisk Teaching has been opened up district-wide. It is a Google add-on, and it is your AI teaching assistant that works wherever you do. So if you go to briskteaching.com, and then you're going to click on Add to Chrome for free. When you do that, it'll take you to this screen, and then mine has already been added, so that's why it says I now have the option to remove, but you will just click Add, and it'll automatically add up here in your toolbar. If for some reason, if you have any problems, please email me, kendall.crawford@gocats.org. The best way to enter an instructional ticket is tinyurl.com/VCS tech ticket. And then anything that you are using, you can just select out of your Brisk toolbar, and then you can use all of the features that Brisk offers for teachers. And I will have another video showing you some more options that Brisk does.